Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be recreating this look that I did in my Sephora haul. I had a couple requests for it, so I decided to go ahead and do it for you guys. I did use the Dominique Cosmetics The Moment palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like a lot of people are sleeping on it. Don't know why, but if you haven't had your chance to grab this palette yet, I suggest you do. I did get the inspo off of Dominique herself. She did do like a TikTok or was it a reel? I can't remember what it was, but she made an eye look just like this and I wanted to go ahead and recreate it for you guys. And if you guys are new here, please go ahead and hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload, and also hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so to start off this look, I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Essential. And this is going to go right in my crease. And if you hear heavy breathing, I'm sorry, it's my dog. Just gonna keep building up this color as much as possible, and then once you build up this area with no extra product, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the top portion. And if I didn't mention before, but I did use the Morphe x Ariel 811 blending brush to blend that out. And now we're gonna go in with the shade Elevated, this darker brown shade in this palette. I don't know if Kristen has expanded her line to go overseas, like in the UK or anything, but if you guys can get your hands on this palette, it's definitely worth it. The shades in here are super beautiful and they blend out like a dream. Now that we place the shade all over our eyelid, I did use the Morphe x Ariel 820 brush. Now with a smaller, more detailed brush, this is the Morphe M514 brush. Grabbing Essential again. And we're just gonna blend out the shade Elevated. And now I'm going to take that same brush and take Essential and run it under my lower lash line. I'm not doing anything too crazy on my lower lash line just because it is kind of like top heavy. Now for the eyeliner portion, I did use the shade Life of the Party, which is this beautiful blue shade in here. And what I did was I wet my brush with MAC Fix Plus. After I did that, I'm going to dip into that shade. I am using the Morphe x Madison Beer eyeliner brush. This one has no number on it. Now we're going to create that eyeliner effect. I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at how beautiful that shade is. And now for inner corner highlight, I am going to use the shade Embrace. For mascara, I'm going to use my MAC Cosmetics Stackable Lash Mascara. You can tell, and this eye is complete. You definitely don't need any eyelashes for this look. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is what the eye look looks all complete. Of course, like I said before, you don't have to apply any lashes with this eye look. It looks really beautiful with no lashes and just a lot of mascara, to be honest. I love this look. I feel like this has been my recent go-to for some reason. It's just so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys out. Alright you guys, so this completes this eye look using the Dominique Cosmetics The Moment palette. If you guys haven't had the chance to grab this palette, I suggest you do. It's so beautiful. I feel like Dominique is really slept on for some reason. I don't know if it's just me, but she has amazing products, and I do want to do like a full-on just one branded review of all the stuff that she has, because I know she recently just came out with some concealers and some sponges, and I really want to try them out. So let me know if you guys want to see another look using this palette. I know this one was highly requested after I did my Sephora haul, so I wanted to do this eye look for you guys. And if you guys did like this tutorial, go ahead and give me a like, comment down below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video.